Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone.
Wow, ganda ng outfit mo, boy, ah. I like your jive.
Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Hello. We're going for camping sa Camp Lema with Sian and Zach. Are you excited? Yeah? Okay. See you guys.
Parang may lalabas na mga zombie ah.
Ano, dyan tayo kakain?
Sige nga, your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, you're not a baby. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Hindi mabigat. Ito. Ito ba to? Yan, look!
Yan na pala, Daddy Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bear. Chef Pong.
Chef Pong ba to?
Oh, Chef Pong yan. Chef Pong. Galing Korea, import.
Galing Korea ba yan?
Bisado na, boss!
Aaron Joseph. Ayos talaga.
Tropang casting, gusto ka problema.
Dito lang yan sa ano, Kamplema, Isaw.
Yung kamplema, yung nilipat ko na yung tutok eh. Lalagay ko na sa kamplema.
ng kahapong pinagdaanan.
I know what it feels like. You know what it feels like? The story of the...
Kyrie, hey, say hi to the video muna. Hey, guys. Hi.
What's up, dude?
It's already 8 o'clock. Not so loud, ah. Not so loud. Okay?
Buksan lang natin. Wala na pa na.
Guys, kaya ano? Kay Kuya Loren.
Grab my shades and hit the streets. No plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag.
Doon ka mag-adjust sa loob.
Guys, ito na guys, night experience sa Kamplema. Ayos. Lamig.
Tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm, I'm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones and city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking.
You sleep well?
Opo, pero konting madumi yung tent.
Why?
Yung tent mo malinis, pero sa amin madumi.
Sa amin dumi din eh.
Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.
Hello, Panda Man. How's your sleep? Huh? How's your sleep? Good.
Dati kasi lalaban na ako dito eh.
Ah, masyadong malakas yun.
Salamat.
Masyadong malakas.
Mga kababana.
Chef Pong. Oh, chef of the day. Yan. Meron din tayo pa dito sa ating soup station. Chef Yaboy.
Yes, good morning, good morning. Ina, nagluluto po tayo ngayon ng corned beef. So, corned beef po to.
Batman. Batman. Entry oh, bagong-bagong table yan guys. Para lang sa kamplema yan, isang set.
Para baka mabigyan tayong ayuda.
Oh, yan.
Okay, picture mo eh.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Hindi mo na-relocate kami.
Na-relocate na
Ito po
to.
yung mga na-relocate
Oo,
sa baha.
napadala na po ito ng relief goods. Unang-una sa pila. Oh. Explore, explore. Dito. Sa block 8. Block 8. Dito tayo sa block 8, sa block 8. Ma, block 8. Block 8. Nabigyan na ba ng ano yan, ng relief goods yan? May relief goods na po kayo dyan?
Nabigyan po isa.
Meron na?
Ayun, binira ka kayo.
Kung ang sitwasyon mo dyan? Kaya nabigyan ka ng relief goods dyan? Wala pa? Do you have your relief goods there? Your goods?